it's me, Ellie, from Simple Days with Ellie. Today I have fidgets that I made with Play-Doh, and they're not real fidgets. They're just made out of Play-Doh. Today we're going to be testing them, and this is, you may probably wondering what this is. It is a monkey noodle, as you can see or tell by its long line and dingly. So we're going to be testing them out. Monkey noodle works perfectly just like a monkey noodle. I rate this maybe like a 8 out of 10 because this is so nice. Now to pop it. Okay. I mean, it still pops like a pop-it. I mean, but it doesn't make noise. Like, I don't know about this. And I'm gonna go show you a real pop-it, and I have it over here. So as you can see, here's the real pop-it next to my made Play-Doh pop-it. And as you can see, the Play-Doh pop-it doesn't pop really nicely, but let's see this one. This one's much satisfying than the Play-Doh one. So I think that this pop-it, it's much better than the Play-Doh pop-it. But I think the monkey noodle is okay, and it feels just like the real one. So I hope you enjoyed the video of me testing these Play-Doh fidgets. Bye!